Hello friends, Jai Shri Ram. Today we are going to see how to manage garbage and garbage bins at your home. Many modern cities allow garbage to be collected as wet waste and dry waste. So how to segregate them easily, how to have the garbage bins, how to use the bin bags, let us see that in this video. If you have any better comments, do let me know in the comment section. So I normally use this kind of garbage bins. So this is like uh, it has two parts to it. This is the lid, of course pedal operated, just like this. Okay, so this is how the lid operates, and this is the actual bin. The bin is 37.5 centimeter tall. Now why am I using a tall bin? Because if I use a short bin, this is not even 1 feet, and this is a little larger than 1 foot, because 1 foot is 30 centimeters, this is 37.5 centimeters, so almost 7.5 centimeters more than 1 foot. Why am I using this? Because this is typically the height of any Bisleri bottle, and of course you won't be standing it tall in the bin, so it will be tilted, so it gives you even more room. Please use a tall bin, otherwise you won't be able to dispose the garbage properly. If there is a dry waste like bottles, they should be disposed well. If there is wet waste like maybe some vegetable, and let us say the vegetable is like harbara, so how will you dispose it in such a small bin? It's not possible, otherwise the lid will always stay up, and that's what you don't want. So that's why do use a sufficiently tall bin. That is my first tip. I'll leave the link in the description for this Unibin bin. I'll let you know. It comes for around a little more than 1,000 rupees. So I'll let you know in the comment section. See the link. Second thing is which kind of a bag you want to use. So let me just put it back. Yes. So normally for such large bins, you use this kind of bags. Now these bags can also cost you a lot because they are such huge bags. And if you use one bag and one bin, then probably it will never get filled until a couple of weeks. And that's what you don't want. Otherwise, you'll be disposing it off with half the load, and that will again cost you a lot. So what is the solution to that? Normally I use this kind of a garbage bin dispenser. So it has two different dispensers, one for the smaller bin, another for the large bin. So this was my plan in the beginning, but now what I've ended up using is I use two bags like this. Now these two bags don't come in the market. These are these kind of bags. They normally come with ordered food. If you order vegetable, then normally it comes in this kind of bags. Now these bags, if you see, they are all you know disposable, biodegradable bags. So you don't have a toll on the environment. It is good for the environment. And if you want to order them separately, then here is the QR code. If you don't want to order them separately, then you can always get these bags from any food delivery app like Blinkit or Swiggy or anything else. So they normally give you food or especially vegetable in this kind of bags. These are all biodegradable. So what I do is I normally use two such bags. Let me just place it here. I normally use two of them. I fast them, or not fast actually, I just hold them in place using this handle. So this normally comes with a handle, so I can do it like this. And then on this side also there's another bag. I have again kept it in place using this handle. And then how are these bags staying in place at the center? Why are they standing tall? Why don't they collapse? So here I have used stapler pins. Okay, so I have fastened these two bags together using stapler pins, and normally it does stay. On one side I throw the dry waste, while on the other side I throw the wet waste, and again I get the advantage of the tallness or the height of this bin. So I'll recommend that you use this kind of biodegradable bags. Why? Because these garbage bags are also a waste in themselves. Okay, and they claim to be biodegradable and all, but see, still it's a garbage in itself. So try to use as less bags as possible, and using this kind of biodegradable bags which are anyways coming with the food delivered is always a better option. Besides, before leaving, I'll give you a tip about how to use any kind of a bin. Always keep a support behind it. So this is a wooden block which I have kept behind this bin. Why am I doing that? Because when the bin opens, then it avoids the lid from touching the wall at the back. Otherwise this wall will get scratched. Okay, I'll show it to you in action over here. Here I don't have that support. So now see, when I open it, it is going to scratch the wall. See, it's scratching the wall. Now once, twice, thrice, maybe nothing happens. But if you keep doing it and if you keep placing the bin at the same exact location, then you're going to see that change on the wall. The paint might come off. So always keep some support at the back and try not to use such small bins. Even for such small bins also you require to have something in the back. But then this will keep obstructing it. So it is difficult to use smaller bags, smaller bins. So I'll recommend use larger bins and always keep a support behind them, and try to use such biodegradable bags and fasten them at the center. Now while throwing the garbage, you can always unstaple them, and you can pack this separately, throw it out as the dry waste, pack this separately, throw it out as the wet waste. So these were just my tips. I know I'm not all intelligent. If you have any better tips, do let me know in the comment section. Until next time, Jai Shri Ram. ये है अमित शिरासाव, अमित शिरासाव, अमित शिरासाव, अमित शिरासाव.